What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a few stocks, and those stocks are Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, and RKLB. I'm going to show you guys my technical analysis, and you guys can set up your buy and sell strategy accordingly. So let's begin with Tesla. So today during the market, Tesla went down by 6%, 6.3%, down by $22. And it was just going down straight forward, like straight going down. This trend has been going on for quite a while, and if we take a look at the daily chart, well, Tesla went down because the financials wasn't really good this quarter. Well, from the technical analysis, right now it would keep descending for a while. The first resistance here is this level, which is 324, around like 324-ish, which Tesla almost is about to go below, and we have to watch that because that's a really important price. And then another support would be somewhere over here, yes, around the $310. So these are two very important support levels. Over here we got the 324 support level. If it did have a reversal, there are two situations that might happen. So first, it would go up a little bit, come back for a retest, and then go beyond that resistance level. The other case scenario is that it just hits like this resistance level, and the price would be like somewhere around 379-ish, yeah, somewhere around there. So in case the stock went below the 324 and 310, then we have to look at this moving average 20, which is around 270. This is a very strong support. So if it falls like to the 270 range, then we could perhaps say a buy for mid to long term. But once again, if you're looking for short term, then we have to keep an eye on 324. If it hits 324 and give a reverse, then it might go up, or it might go up a little bit, come back for a retest, and skyrocket. It could potentially give around like $30 of up climbing range. It could potentially go back up to this area around like 380-ish, somewhere around there. Alright, so now let's take a look at Nvidia. So for Nvidia, recently I already bought like a lot of shares and sold throughout the up climbing momentum, and right now it's just going crazily up. But I think at this point of time that could be the end of the uprise. Why? Because if we take a look at the recent support and resistance, it's all around 132, guys. It's like you see a lot like over here, like over here, this range, it's all around 132, 133-ish, like around 131 to 133. If you're looking to go back to the game, I'd say we're probably gonna look at this location, which is over here, over this area, where this candle is. It's around 127. So over here there might be two scenarios. The first one is that it hits here, hits the 127, and go back up to around, this is 140-ish. If it breaks through the 132 after it hits down, And another case is that it could just keep going down back to the low where we had before. So that's 113. That's another support we have. So yeah, 127 is a very important place for Nvidia that we need to look for. Right now at this point, if you have any Nvidia shares, I just suggest you to like sell half like right now. And then once it reach 127, we can see if it goes up or if it would go down. So after selling half like at this point right now, we can guarantee like half of the profit, right? So if we wait until 127, there might be a 50-50 chance of going up or down. So if it goes up, then hooray, we win more money. But if it goes down, we better have a stop loss for around like 125-ish. This is all for short term, but if you want to hold for long term, then I suggest I just say like go in like around under 120. Next, we're going to take a look at RKLB. So currently RKLB today just went down by 7.78, but yesterday it went up by like 13% or something. RKLB in my opinion is like a very nice momentum stock because like there are a lot of strong movements like once breakout is confirmed. For short term right now, a very important point that we should look at is 27.95, which is the pivot point. I've already set like a reminder for myself. Over here we can see that's a point where the stock hits like a high, and over here it's almost a high, and over here that's another closing price. And as you can see over here, there's more of those lowest price. So at 27.95, it's a very important pivot point. If you want to trade RKLB, I suggest you just go for short term. Once it get back to 27.95, and in like the 1 minute chart within the day, if we see like a bullish crossing, for example, like let's say if the 200-day moving average hits below the 50-day moving average, then at that point we can go for a entry. But very important, very important, we have to make sure that it hits back to these 27.95. If in case it didn't go like any bullish, it had like bearish cross, death cross, 200 is above 50. Like if everything goes bad, if it goes bearish, then we can take a look back at 26.5, which is the 50-day moving average. Over here, it could be another very strong support. There could possibly be another reversal. Now let's take a look at AMD. So for AMD, I mean, the pattern seems like it could go bullish in 2025. Like we see, let's pull out a trend line. We see it's going up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it's supposed to go up, right? According to like the pattern, right? But right now, the financial report of this quarter isn't doing that great, and AMD didn't really come up with like really good products. So the price range is like stuck between like the 120 range and the 100 range. I'd suggest like not to do anything. If you have the stock, then probably like hold it. Like if you didn't buy or didn't sell, then just don't buy. I suggest if you have already bought the stock, then you should probably like hold it for now, because for long term the target price is like 140 something dollars, so you don't have to worry too much. But if you do short term, I'd say like any rise, like any bullish sign right now at this point could just be like a pullback to the equilibrium. I wouldn't really say it's a bullish sign because, you know, because if it go down by too much, it should pull back just a little bit. It couldn't like always go bearish, right? You know what I mean? Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you like this show. If you really like it, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and also give me a comment. Thank you so much.